Hey y'all. Okay, so before we start this episode today, we want to take the time out to remind everyone that at Let's Talk, we encourage safe drinking. While we're having fun, it is important to be responsible and not put others in danger. So make sure you settle in like we do and drink responsibly. With that said, let's talk together.
Okay, we've returned. I think we may have recovered.
Recovered from hell.
That was a rough venture. That last round, we're gonna forget it. I was gonna act like we have amnesia. We're about to get into something different, okay? This is called the Sangrita.
We're going back up. We're going back up.
Oh, we going back up.
Okay.
Because we hit the bottom. So it's only up to go from there, right?
Started from the bottom, now we're here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here.
So let me break down the ingredients real quick. You're gonna need orange juice. Okay. You're gonna need some tequila.
Ooh.
Okay. You're gonna need an entire bottle of red wine. You can decide whether you want it to be sweet or dry. That's up to you. You're gonna need some lime juice and some triple sec. And then you're gonna need to pre-garnish your vessel of choice. This is a sugar rim with lime around the center, okay, or around the middle rather, and a few little ice cubes to cool it down, okay? So let's get into this.
Yes, ma'am.
This is to make a pitcher, FYI, okay? So you're gonna make this when you're doing this for a group of people. Okay, we're gonna start off with 1.5 cups of your orange juice.
What's that?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
We like you.
3/4 cup of lime juice.
Those go together.
And you know, it don't matter who squoze it. We're using concentrate.
Okay. I have high hope for this. No Tabasco, no tomato juice, and no horseradish.
I feel like the absence of that is already an improvement.
What is it? No vodka.
I mean, I was okay with the vodka. 1/2 cup of tequila. And would you pass me that triple sec right there? Oh, sorry. Yeah.
There you go.
Okay. Jesus. Maybe I should open that up before. 1/2 cup of the triple sec. Okay, this is gonna take me just a little second. I do like the squeeze top though. That's you know, that's crafty.
Yeah, I like that. I like that for you.
Make me look a little silly right now, but it's okay. Normally, I feel like it's perfect.
I have high hopes for this.
And would you pass me the red wine?
The red bubbly.
Yeesh. So I just chose a Tempranillo, okay? So choose whatever red wine you would like to. That's a good sound right there. And feel free to, like, you know, if you wanted to add some little fruitsy fruits or whatever.
Want to be a sangria without the
You
fruit?
know, let me get me a little stir thing. He done used the other one. Yeah.
Stir it.
Just stir like a little ingredients together.
In the kitchen with chicken. Hey.
I mean, I don't know about you, but it already kind of looked like, you know, Brittany and I would polish this off in a morning, you know, time. I'm just saying. Okay, so we're gonna pour. I had it to the correct side. I'm so proud of myself. Okay. Let's just test it right there.
Yeah.
And I feel like that's probably. I feel like this is very promising.
Very. Can't go wrong with, well, I've had some bad sangria.
I haven't had very many bad sangrias,
This is a
though.
sangrita.
Right, so it's like both. Okay.
I like it.
Cheers.
Cheers.
All right, let's get into this. Besides
The sugar.
sugar all over my mouth, and I'm looking a little crazy right now.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, you're up first this round. Let me know your thoughts.
I like this. This is definitely better than the last one we had. I don't know if we were baking, pouring, drinking, whatever. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. That's in the past. I'm not gonna relive it, but this is good. I am going to give this a solid 10. It is simple. It's a brunch vibes, and it's a beautiful presentation. I like it. What about you, sis?
Yeah, I'm gonna give this a 9. I think the only thing that we're missing is maybe some throw a little some orange slices or something in there,
You
make
want
it
to get a
kind
little
of
bit more
cute,
visual.
make it a little cute, but then the taste-wise, which ultimately matters, it's really good. I feel like this is definitely a solid brunch choice. And I think it's always fun when you combine two of your favorites. So who doesn't like a margarita and who doesn't like sangria? So we just combine them and Sangrita. You know what I mean?
You got the ultimate brunch drink. Yeah.
I will say, I'm starting to taste some of that tequila, you know what I'm saying? So you have a couple too many of these, brunch could end up at bedtime, instant bedtime.
Sir, are you okay? Hello?
So you just gotta be be responsible, know your limits. But this is a solid choice.
Drink a few of these on a Sunday, you're gonna wake up to going to work on Monday. That's all I gotta say about that.
It's true. Or if you drink the whole pitcher, I don't know.
Yeah, but this is definitely
good.
I mean, of course, you see this type of picture that we have. It's definitely off of Amazon. We'll include the link in the comment section. But as you can see, we only filled up with what we had. What was it? Half a pitcher?
Yeah, well, not even. Maybe it was right here.
Yeah. So you kind of double it. Boom, shakalaka. You know what I'm saying? And go from there. So yeah. Ooh, child. Brunch me, daddy.
Brunch me, daddy.
Yeah, brunch me.
That's
daddy.
what we're doing. That's what we're doing now. We're brunch me, daddy.
Brunch me, daddy.
Brunch it up. Brunch is zaddy. Okay, that's what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? Okay. And if by cup number 3, brunch is definitely zaddy. Okay.
Sexy.
I'm just saying.
Give him a stare.
Lean, you had the uncle lean,
Right.
Hey,
daddy. How you
what's
going?
Up? What's up? Slay your words.
Hey, I'm playing down. Yeah, you want to get this right around my lip? I can't.
And promptly get kicked out. That's also a possibility.
This. Nobody should be watching this unless you're 21 and over anyway. So guess what?
It's fine. Make good choices. Make good choices. That's all I'm gonna say. The struggle was real just now. Yep. But this is good. The struggle did not involve the drink.
Not at all.
Unlike last time. But that's okay. We're in the past. Okay, so comment, and subscribe. Let us know what you think about this, the combo, or would you prefer them separate? Do you prefer your sangria and margarita separate? I personally like to just throw it all in there, you know what I'm saying?
I like it.
So let us know what you think, and we'll be back. Let's try something else.